Hey everyone, show me your hands. How clean are they? Do you know that hand washing is really important for us to stay healthy? Let me show you how all the germs are so afraid of soap. This activity will prove it.